In this video, I will show you a super simple YouTube trick to make money online by watching videos. This method is a great way to make money online because you don't need any technical skills or knowledge, as all you will be doing is watching videos. And what is really great about this method is that it is completely free to get started. You can earn $5 for each video and you only have to watch for a minimum of 30 seconds. If you watch 10 videos, that's $50, and when you watch 30 videos, you can earn $150. There is no limit to the amount of money you can earn per day with this method, and here are some payment proofs from people all around the world to show you how much you could earn by doing this method. With that being said, let's jump into this video and learn about this amazing way to make money online. The first thing you will need to do is come across to youtube.com and click onto the sign in button in the top right hand corner of the page. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can actually sign up for one for completely free. The process is very quick and it only takes a minute or two to set up your YouTube account. Once you have your YouTube account and have signed into the YouTube website, what I want you to do now is take a look at the left hand side, where you will see this option called Explore. Go ahead and give that a click and you will be taken to a page that looks like this. You can see all of these different categories at the top, like for example trending, music and movies and shows, but the one we are going to select is gaming, as that is a popular category on YouTube. You can see there are over 90 million subscribers here, and if we scroll down a bit you will see some popular games which are trending right now. From here, what you want to do is look for a game that is very popular. And don't worry if you don't know about games, as I will share a bonus tip with you on what game to choose. So what we are going to do is choose this one here, which is called League of Legends, as this game is very popular. What this is going to do is bring up a ton of different videos and live streams all related to League of Legends, and you can see that these videos are getting thousands of views, with some videos actually getting millions of views. And what we will be doing is using these videos and this secret method that not many people know about to start making a lot of money in just minutes. This is available worldwide, so no matter where in the world you are, you will be able to make money with this method. The videos we want to choose are the live streams, and to find all the current live streams, all we need to do is click live, which is here in this menu at the top. And make sure you do keep watching, because I'm going to show you a bonus tip which will help you to make 10 times more money than others, and in just a minute I will show you exactly how to make money with this kind of YouTube video. One thing I want to mention is that once you know how to do this, you can simply repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos on this category to earn even more money. The next thing we are going to do is come over to another website which is called 7r6.com. 7r6.com is a website that will allow you to shorten a URL link, and do not worry, as this is actually really simple to do. In fact, it's actually a lot easier than you may think. To get started, you first need to create a free account, which you can do by clicking the blue Get Started for Free button, which is down here. You then just need to enter a couple of details and click the blue register button. The sign up process is very fast, easy to do, and it should only take a minute to complete. To shorten a URL, all you need to do is simply come back to youtube.com and select any of the live streams. And once you have clicked onto the live stream, you will see a share button underneath the video. Give this a click and you will get a pop-up like this, where you can see that this here is the URL. All you need to do is copy this and then come back to 7r6.com and log into your account. So once you log in, you will be taken to your dashboard, which is going to look like this. And then from here, if you look in the top left hand corner, you will see a button which says New Shorten Link. Go ahead and give this a click and then paste the URL in this box here, and then in the alias box you can just put League of Legends. Next, go ahead and click Shorten to shorten the link. And you can do this with as many videos as you want. Of course, the more video links you shorten, the more money you will make. So if you wanted to do another video, you would just repeat the process and put something like League of Legends 2 in the alias box. And what you could do at this point is open up a notepad or a Word document and paste all the shortened links there to make it easier to track. This website is great as it is super simple to use and will automatically help you to shorten these long YouTube links into brand new unique links. Now, whenever people click on these unique links, you are going to get paid. and that is how people are using this website to earn big money. You actually have a variety of ways to cash out your earnings, which include PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, and so many more. Even though there are other categories you can do this with, a bonus tip I want to share is to stick to the gaming category, as this will make you a lot of money due to it being such a popular category. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you where you can share these links to get hundreds if not thousands of people clicking on your links every single day. But before that, if you are enjoying this video, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also be sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest and easiest ways to make money online. And if you do have any questions regarding this method, feel free to drop a comment below. Alright, so let's get back to the video and the next step in this method. Next, we are going to come to a website which is called steamcommunity.com. Steam is a gaming platform that is very popular, and Steam Community is the community-based website for the Steam platform where gamers come to talk about different games and strategies to play different games. From the homepage, if you look at the top of the page, you will see some options like Store, Community, About, and Support. If you hover over Community, you will get a menu, and from here you want to click onto Discussions. Next, we are going to click onto this search box here and type League of Legends and hit enter. You will see there are over 40,000 entries, which means that a lot of people are talking about this game right now, so we have plenty of people that will click on our link. Before you can share your link, you will first need to create a free account. And to do this, just click login in the top right hand corner, and then you will see this option down here which you can click to join Steam for free and set up your free account. With Steam, the registration is super simple to do, and it should only take a couple of minutes to get signed up. Once that is done, you can put up a new post about League of Legends or whatever game you have chosen, and then share your shortened link from 7r6.com. So make sure to keep watching this video, because in just a moment I will be sharing with you my secret template post, which you can use to get a lot of clicks and make a lot of money. So once you have created your post, you are then going to get a lot of people that will read your post and click onto your link. And of course, everyone that clicks your link makes you money. Now, if you want to double or even triple your earnings, and I want to share with you another bonus tip. And also I'm going to share with you a template post that you can use to get a lot of clicks. So there is actually another website you can use, which is called moot.us, moot.us. Similar to the Steam Community, this is a website where you will find people discussing all about their favourite games. So what you want to do is sign up for a free account so you can begin posting on this website as well. So the example template I wanted to share with you guys, which actually can get you a ton of views and clicks all the time, is this one. And what you want to put is, have you guys checked out this amazing League of Legends gameplay video? It's mind blowing, and you can watch the live streaming video right here. After you've put this, just go ahead and put your shortened link, and in no time at all you will be getting lots of views, clicks, and of course making lots of money. The key thing to remember is the more posts you do and the more links you share, the more money you will make. And there is actually no limit to how much money you can make with this. So I do have another method to make money online just by reading. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to check that out, then make sure you do click the on-screen video that pops up now. Also be sure to like this video if you did enjoy it, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with the latest and easiest ways to make money online. So I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.